We were doing the head driver.
Good morning, ma'am.
Para, we have to continue.
Good morning, ma'am.
From? Yes. Which paragraph? Ishika?
Ma'am, page number 48, last para.
Page number?
48.
Right. Page number 48, and we had already done the para. Okay, a new para has to be begin. Isn't it? Who has gone to New Million? Who has gone to New Million? Who visited?
Ma'am,
lawyer.
Why did he visit? Why did he visit?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, to summon Oliver Lutkin.
Yes, to serve or summon to Oliver Lutkins, right. Whom did he meet at the station? Whom did he meet?
Ma'am,
driver.
head driver.
Okay. What did the head driver tell him? What did
Ma'am, that to catch Oliver Lutkins.
Yes.
In all village, he roaming.
Okay, he told him that he would help him in, okay, finding Oliver Lutkins. And how did this lawyer feel, beta?
Ma'am, good.
Yes, he felt as if he's meeting one of his old friends. Okay, and he thinks that these villagers, they are so humble that they are always ready to help a stranger, right? And this head driver, he had made his own task, means he had, as if he had taken the responsibility of helping this lawyer to find out Oliver Lutkins, right? Now the next para, he said from here.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Put the date, beta, hurry up. Hurry up. Write down the date. Written.
Yes, ma'am.
Now he said, I don't want to interfere, young fellow, but my guess is that you want to collect some money from Lutkins. He never pays anybody a cent. He still owes me 50 cents on a poker game I was fool enough to play with him. Now this hack driver, he talks to this lawyer and he says that though I'm not interested, it means I just don't want to interfere in your affairs. But as far as my guesses are there, you have come to collect some money from Oliver Lutkins, and then the hack driver says that this man, Oliver Lutkins, he never pays anybody a cent. Okay, though he takes money, he borrows money from the people, but he never returns. And then the hack driver says that he still owes me 50 cents on a poker game. I still want, he had taken 50 cents on a poker game that he had not returned to me. And he says that I, like a fool, played with him. समझ में आया? कौन कहता है हेक ड्राइवर कि वो ऐसा है कि वो किसी को पैसे कभी भी वापस नहीं लौटाता. 50 सेंट्स मैं भी वो करता हूँ उससे ऑन अ पोकर गेम, और मैं इतना फूल था कि मैं उसके साथ खेला, लेकिन उसने आज तक वो मनी रिटर्न नहीं करे. He is not really bad, but it's hard to make him part with his money. अब ये हेक ड्राइवर कहता है that Oliver Lutkins, he is not a bad person. Okay, but it's very difficult to take out money from him that he had borrowed or he had taken from other people. कहते बुरा व्यक्ति नहीं है, लेकिन उससे पैसे निकलवाना, that is very difficult. If you try to collect from him in those fancy clothes, he will be suspicious and get away from you. और कहता है कि ये यदि आप है ना उससे पैसे कलेक्ट करने की कोशिश करोगे in such good clothes, you know, he will be suspicious, he is going to have the doubts and he'll just run away far away. If you want, I will go into fits and ask for him and you can keep out of sight behind me. और यदि आप चाहो, he says the head driver, so I'll just enter Fritz and where he might be playing poker game and I'll just demand money from him. But you do not follow me. You do not come with me. Okay. You just stay away out of sight behind me. Okay. Out of sight, matlab you shouldn't be visible to him. Otherwise, he would be suspicious that surely you had come to ask money. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I loved him for this. By myself, I might never have found Lutkins. Now, when he listens to the hack driver, okay, to lawyer कहता है, you know, I just love that man. All alone, it would have been difficult for me to find Lutkins. I would have failed to find him. With the hack driver's knowing help, I was sure of getting my man. And the lawyer says that hack driver, you know, he was helping me. So I became sure that I became confident that surely I'm going to get Oliver Lutkins. I took him into my confidence and told him that I wanted to serve the summons on Lutkins. Now see, this lawyer, he took him, okay, took the head driver into his confidence, उसको confidence में ले लिया और उसको बता दिया that he had come to serve someone on Oliver Lutkins, means he has been called there. That the man had refused to be a witness when his information would have quickly settled a case. अब वो उसको सब बता देता है lawyer कि this man, you know, he had refused to become a witness when the case, you know, it was about to be settled. तो उसने मना कर दिया कि वो कोई witness वगैरह नहीं बनेगा. Now the driver, he listened earnestly, बड़े attentively. The hack driver, he listened to the lawyer and then he hit me on the shoulder and laughed. Well, we will give Brother Lutkins a little surprise. Or finally, after listening, you know, the driver patted him on his shoulders और कहते हैं, don't worry, we are going to give surprise to Oliver Lutkins. Let's start, driver. तो lawyer कहता है, okay, fine, let us begin. It's very interesting, okay? In the end, the suspense, it would be revealed. Most folks around
Ma'am, ये
here
खुद ही है
came,
ma'am.
most folks around here came, sorry, call me Bill or Magnuson. My business is called William Magnuson Fancy Carting and Hacking. Underline it. Okay. Now he says that most of the people here in the village, they call me either Bill or Magnuson, they call me, and the head driver, he says my business, you know, it is called as William Magnuson Fancy Carting and Hacking Business. All right, Bill, shall we proceed to Fritz? अब वो कहता है ऑल राइट, लॉयर कहता है बिल, जब वो अपना इंट्रोडक्शन दे देता आफ्टर गिविंग द इंट्रोडक्शन, द लॉयर सेज ओके फाइन, विल नाउ वी शुड प्रोसीड, वी शुड मूव ऑन टू फ्रिट्ज. Yes, the hack driver says, Lutkins is just as likely to be there as anywhere. Surely we could find him at there in Fritz. Plays a lot of
Ma'am,
poker game.
Fritz क्या है ma'am?
He's got 1 minute. Now let me complete with him. Okay. Fritz might be the place or a person's shop where he might be playing poker game. Clear? Yes,
ma'am.
Lutkins might be the shop where he might be playing the poker game. Yes, Lutkins is just as likely to be there as anywhere, plays a lot of poker. He's good at deceiving people. Surely we can find Lutkins there, and he's very good in playing poker game. He plays a lot of poker game, and he is very good in deceiving people and ditching people, okay, betraying people. लोगों को धोखा देने में he is very clever. Bill seemed to admire Lutkin's talent for dishonesty. I felt that if he had been a policeman, he would have caught Lutkins respectfully and jailed him with regret. अब बिल ऐसा लग रहा था जैसे लटकिंस के टैलेंट को, ओके, उसकी डिसऑनेस्टी को बड़ा प्रेज कर रहा है. राइटर कहते हैं कि इतना बोल रहा था कि ऐसा लग रहा था कि उसकी डिसऑनेस्टी को बड़ा प्रेज कर रहा है, और लॉयर को ये लगता है कि यदि वो पुलिसमैन होता, कौन द हेक ड्राइवर, तो surely he would have caught Lutkins and he would have put him into jail, but would have surely regretted. मतलब उसकी सारी डिसऑनेस्टी की बड़ी तारीफ कर रहा था, और वो इमेजिन करता है, लॉयर ये सोचता है कि इफ दिस हेक ड्राइवर, इफ ही वुड हैव बीन अ पुलिसमैन, surely definitely he would have arrested Lutkins and would have been put Lutkins into jail, lekin with regret, he would have felt sorry for putting such a clever man into jail. Bill led me into Fritz. Have you seen Oliver Lutkins around today? Friend of his looking for him, said Bill cheerily. Okay, अब वो कहता है कि मुझे फ्रिट्ज के यहाँ लेकर गया, जिसकी शॉप वगैरह हो गई जहाँ वो खेलता होगा पोकर गेम, और वहां जाके उसको पूछता है कि भाई हैव यू सीन ऑलिवर लुटकिंस टुडे, ओके, उसका कोई फ्रेंड है, ही इज लुकिंग फॉर हिम. Fritz, look at me now. See, you got it. Fritz is a person who's having maybe a shop where he might be playing poker game. Got it, Rahul?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Fritz, look at me hiding behind Bill. He hesitated and then admitted, yes, he was in here a little while ago. Guess he's gone over to Gustav's to get a shave. अब फ्रिट्ज जो था, ठीक है, उसने देख लिया कि दिस लॉयर ही वाज हाइडिंग बिहाइंड बिल, तो थोड़ा सा वो हेजिटेट हुआ और फिर कहता है, यस ही वाज हियर सम टाइम बैक, ही हैड बीन हियर, बट some of the unwanted elements, they join the class every day and I remove them, and this is a big insult for them. Okay, but still they're doing it, and any of you might be encouraging that person to join the class. And very soon we are going to find out. I've told Ram sir to find out. And every day I insult him by removing him. This is the insult of the student who had encouraged his friend to join the class and play some kind of mischief in the class. You will be in trouble. I don't know. Whosoever is doing it. So now Fritz, he says, yes, Oliver Lutkins, he was here. Some time back he was here, but now he's gone to Gustav, okay, to get a shave. Shave करवाने के लिए वो कहाँ गया है? Gustav के पास गया है. Well, if he comes and tell him I'm looking for him, तो head driver कहता है okay fine, but if he comes, just tell him I was just looking for him. I just wanted to meet him. We drove to Gustav's barber shop. Again, Bill went in first and I lingered at the door. अब कहते हैं हम गुस्टेव जहाँ पर वो शेव बनवाने गया था, there he was a barber, so we went there. Now this time also, Bill, he went inside and I was just lingering, means I was just stopped at the door. He asked not only the Swede but 2 customers if they had seen Lutkins. ओके अब वहां पर कोई स्वीड होगा, उसने उससे पूछा अबाउट लुटकिंस, उससे तो पूछा लेकिन उसके अलावा 2 अदर कस्टमर्स वर देयर जिससे उसने पूछा अबाउट ओलिवर लुटकिंस इफ दे हैड सीन हिम. द स्वीड हैड नॉट. ओके, this is the name of a person also. Okay, so wo Swede, he did not see him and he said angrily, I haven't seen him and don't care to, but if you find him you can just collect that $35 he owes me. Got it? अब जब Swede से पूछता है, he became somewhat angry and he says कि I did not see him and I am not interested in seeing Oliver Lutkins, but if you find him, he tells to the hack driver, if you find him just take my $35 that I had given. Clear? समझ में आया?
यस मैम, वो बार्बर भी उससे पैसे मांग रहा था.
He goes there to the barber shop. Okay, and then he asked, Swede was there, he asked him, तो Swede गुस्सा हो जाता है कि मैंने तो उसको देखा है का नहीं, but if you find him just take my $35, okay, that I had given to him. One of the customers thought he had seen Lutkins walking down Main Street this side of the hotel. Now see, one of the customers, you know, वो थोड़ा बहुत अपना शायद view देता है कि he saw him that he was walking down Main Street this side of the hotel. Hotel के side से he was walking on the Main Street. As we climbed back into the hack, Bill concluded that since Lutkins had exhausted his credit at Gustav's, he had probably gone to Gray's for a shave. अब गुस्टेव बार्बर शॉप पर वो नहीं मिला. ओके, तो जैसे ही वो लोग क्लाइम करते हैं, अगेन दे वर देयर इन द हैक, उस कैरेज में, उस गाड़ी में रहते हैं, तो बिल इस कंक्लूजन पर आता है बेटा कि लुटकिंस जो है ही हैड एग्जॉस्टेड हिज क्रेडिट. ओके, एंड शायद उसकी वजह से he might not have gone to Gustav's because even there Swede was there who was demanding money from him. तो हो सकता है वो ग्रेज मतलब another barber shop he might have gone for a shave. समझ में आया? अब उसकी वो कहता है कि शायद उसकी हिम्मत नहीं है because Swede he owes $35, तो इस वजह से he might have gone to some other barber shop. At Gray's, now they went to Gray's barber shop. We missed Lutkins by only 5 minutes. अब ग्रे की बार्बर शॉप पर जाते हैं तो पता पड़ा कि 5 minutes earlier only he left from here. He had just left probably for the pool room. और कहते हैं कि शायद वो बाहर निकल गया था. ओके, एंड वहां पर पूल रूम में जब वो जाते हैं तो पता पड़ता है इट अपीयर दैट ही हैड जस्ट बॉट अ पैक ऑफ सिगरेट एंड गॉन आउट. और जब वो पूल रूम में जाते हैं तो वहां ये पता पड़ता है कि he bought a packet of cigarette and he just left from there. So we pursued him. अब वो कहते हैं, लॉयर कहते हैं कि I and the head driver Bill, you know, we were just following him. We were just wherever we got the information कि he has gone this way or that way, we just followed him, pursued him, but never catching him for an hour till it was past 1 o'clock. Okay, though we pursued him so much but still we failed to catch him. हम उसको पकड़ नहीं पाए. And an hour passed and it was already 1 o'clock. I was hungry. Now the lawyer, he started feeling hungry, but I had so enjoyed Bill's rough country opinions about his neighbors that I scarcely cared whether I found Lutkins or not. लेकिन वो कहता है कि जो जब मैंने सुना कि बिल की अपने पड़ोसियों की जो राय थी उसके, है ना, ओपिनियंस थे, बोले जब मैंने ये सब सुना तो इसको इतना मजा आता है दैट ही हार्डली cared or thought of getting Lutkins. समझ में आया? मतलब जब वो देखता है कि बिल जो है अपने नेबर्स की ओपिनियंस वगैरह ले रहा है एंड ये सब देखकर इतना ज्यादा इसको इंटरेस्ट आता है, दिस मैन हु दिस लॉयर, यू नो, तो वो कहता है कि ऐसा लगता है कि नाउ आई डू नॉट केयर वेदर आई फाइंड लुटकिंस और नॉट. क्लियर बेटा?
यस मैम.
Yes,
एवरीवन?
ma'am.
Sure.
Yes, ma'am.
It's very interesting chapter. देखना last में. A suspense is there and Rahul will not reveal the suspense. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, today I'll just send you the project. Okay, बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
और उस प्रोजेक्ट को आप करिएगा. ठीक है? Okay, bye. Take care, everyone.
Thank you,
Thank you, ma'am.